We guide you through how to create an invoice in Wise. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Wise account on the app or browser and log in. Then go to the Get Paid or Invoices section and click Create an Invoice. Start by entering your business name, email, and logo if you have one to make it look more professional. Next, add your client's name, email address, and the billing details carefully to avoid payment issues. After that, input the item or service you are charging for, including a clear description, quantity, and price, and make sure to select the correct currency, especially if you're dealing with international clients. Wise will automatically calculate the total back. You can also add taxes or discounts if needed. Then, set your payments term, like due date and any notes for your client. Once everything looks correct, review your invoice to double check for errors. Then click send and Wise will deliver it directly to your client's email with a secure payment option.